Hello, in front of me I've got Heroes Olden Era. In this video I'll show you how to get Alchemical Dust. Alchemical Dust is necessary and crucial resource, thanks to which you can get many items further in the game. It's very strategical in the endgame of your map. In order to get it, you can find it as free resource on the map, or you can remove the unwanted equipment. If you remove unwanted equipment, you'll get amount of alchemical dust. Also, on the map you can find certain buildings where you can trade gems for alchemical dust. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.